Good evening, guys. How are you all? Hope you people are doing very good with your Python program with PyData Explorer, and thank you for watching all my previous recorded videos. So today I just want to discuss about the while loop. So straight away I just jump into the program that we can see that in the I value I is equal to 1. That means I am just taking the 1 value inside the I. Then in the while, just remember one thing, all the condition that we just write down previously. That means we are giving the condition that while it will go till less than 5. I value that starts from 1, and the condition they are giving in the while loop that it will go till less than 5 means I value will be going to be 4. In here, we just write down the print I, and the I will be I plus, the condition is the I is equal to I plus 1, means in the first time if I run that program, in this condition, they are taking the I value is 1 first. Then if the condition is true, 1 is less than 5, then program is run, and then they are giving, if I run the program, then you can easily understand they are giving the output, that is the 1. And after printing the I, they just increment the value, I value write down here, I is equal to I plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then it goes back in here in this direction, in this time the I value is 2. 2 is less than 5, yeah, this is true, then they are giving the output is 2. Then again they are incrementing the I value, earlier it was the I value is 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, again they are checking the condition. In this way, they are checking the till when the I value will be going to be the 5th, then they are checking that 5th is less than 5th. No, it is not there. So in that case, they just terminate the condition. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, all the values that is less than 5, they are giving the printout here, and the 5th is not less than 5, so they are not giving that output. So in that time the program is terminated, and this print program I just write down just outside of the while program. So while condition, so in this condition while loop has ended, so they just write down this string as it is after completing the program. Now break function, break out of the loop. How the loop can be break out? Again we are using the while true. True means the condition is true. So in that case, again we just write down within while if I double is equal to 9, then break, then print I, then I is equal to I plus 2, then print hello. How it programs, it works. So if I is equal to true, whatever the I value it will be there, then they are checking whether I is equal to 9 or not. So from 1 to till 9, whatever the value it will be coming, then the program will be run. The first time I value is 1, then in that condition the condition is true, then it goes increment the 2 value, then I value will be 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, then again they are checking whether I is equal to 9, no, again they are giving the output. Again after 3 they are just adding 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, again they are just coming here, they are checking whether I is equal to 9 or not, again they just print out the number 5. In this way, when the I value is 7 plus 2 is equal to 9, so in that case when the condition will be true, if I double is equal to 9, in that condition that program will be going to be break, that means program will be going to be finished in that condition, then they just come out from that loop, then they just print the hello. If I run the program, then we can see 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. When the 9 is coming there, I value is 9, then in that condition this condition is true, then in that condition the program is finished, then they are coming out from that while loop, then they are just print this hello. This is basically outside of the while loop. If you see this indentation, and this indentation you can see these all condition that comes under while loop. Then the continue. What is the continue? Continue, it means basically it is just running that program further. So I am just using I is equal to 9, then while I just keep the condition I less than is equal to 10. It means I value it will go till 10. It will be whether I value will be less than 10 or equal 10. Then within while loop, I am just using if condition I is equal to double is equal to 6. That means if the I value is 6, so in that condition, they will going to be increased one number. One number means I is equal to I plus 1, whatever the I value will be there, plus 1, they will increment that I value. Then print out that before continue, this string will be print out, then end, one space will be there, then continue. Then again the else condition I write down here, I comma end space and I plus 1. So if I run that program, then we can see when the first condition I value is 1. So in that condition I value, if I double is equal to 6, it is not true. So in that condition it comes under else condition. So in else condition they are just print out the I, so that's why they are giving the print 1. When the I is, the value is write down, the value is 2, that condition if I double is equal to 6, that is not true, again it comes under else condition. In else condition, whatever the I value we just print out. So 1 till 5th it is giving the printout. When the I value is increment, after giving printing all the I value, they just increment 1 1 1 I value. So after 1 2 3 4 5, then when it increment and it reach I is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. When the I value is 6 and if condition is true, I double is equal to 6. So in that condition, they are just printing this one before continue. So they are giving here before continue in the place of the 6. Then their continue. Then their continue means they are just running that same program. I value is right now 7. Then again it goes inside this. I value right now 7. 7 is less than is equal to 10. Then they are checking the if condition, I double is equal to 6. No, it is not true. Again it goes in the else condition. In this way, they just reach till 10th. Because we see the I starts from 1 and it will be ended till 10th. So that's why they just finish the program till 10th. So whatever this program is doing, if the condition is not true, it goes in the else condition. In else condition, every time they are just increment one value, I value. Then the loop function basically is doing that it gives the I, it increment the I value 1 1 1 in this way. And when when the I value is going to be 6 in that condition, they are just printing before continue. Then continue means basically they are just going further. They are giving the permission. Python is just giving the permission that you can just proceed. Then after that they are checking the 7, 8, 9, 10 till the 10th value. That goes under this condition and they are giving the output. And earlier when we see that break condition, when the condition is true, I double is equal to 9, in that condition that program is finished. In continue condition, it is just opposite of the break. Basically when the condition is true, then they are considering that your program should be run till this while condition. That is the basic difference between break and continue. Now continue again, I just write down another program in here. I less than is equal to 10, I value is 1, the starting point is 1. And while I less than is equal to 10 means that value it will go 1 to till 10. And then if I double is equal to 6, if this condition is true, in that condition they are just print the high and they will give the space. Then print I is end. Then again we just write down the print I is end. Then we just increment 1 1 value. If I run that program, we can see like the same like the previous program. And every time they are checking the value that I starts from 1. The first time 1 value is there. They are checking the if condition 1 double is equal to 6 is equal to, this condition is not true. 1 is not double is equal to 6 means 1 value is not equal to 6. So in that condition they are just going directly to the else condition and they are just printing the I value. In this way they are just go till 5. When the I value it goes to the 6, when the condition is true, if I double is equal to 6, that means I 6 double is equal to 6. In that condition they are print that print, the high print. Then they are giving the 1 space. Then again they are just going there, that continue, they are just going in the I value and they are giving the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, all the value that is not equal to 6, that goes into the else condition one by one, and they are just giving all the printout. In the last, this print statement, print loop ended, this is not comes under while, because if you see the indentation, so at the end of the program they just write down the loop ended, as simple as it is. Basically while loop, they're just checking the condition. It starts from 1, it will go till 10th. 1 2 3 4 5 6 in this way. How it goes, they are checking the one condition. If I double is equal to 6, then they are just print out this condition, otherwise they will go directly to the else condition. After functioning if and else condition, they are just increment the I value 1 1 1. First time one I value will be 1, second time 2. Every time the loop will be round by round by round by round. At the first of my video, I just already told you that every time loop is basically doing the, when you are just doing the same task again and again, again and again, again and again in that condition, how it will be going there. The starting point is 1, ending point is 10, but how it will go, they will every time after finishing the program, the I value will be increment 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. This condition I am just write down here, I plus 1. Naming variable, how we can just want to take the one string value, can start only with underscore or alphabet, cannot contain any special character except underscore. That means we are just write down the hello within inside A1. If I just print out the A1, we can see that the hello is print here. If we see that underscore A1 is equal to hello, if we print that underscore A1 in that program, we can also see that hello is printed here. Again, if I use the only the A1, it can be run here, but we are not doing anything printed, so they are not giving any print value. But remember one thing guys, the underscore it can be taken, but the special character in the Python program, they are not taking as a variable. If we are taking that one, A1 $sign is equal to hello, if I run that program, directly Python they'll throw the error, syntax error, that is the invalid syntax, because this special character is not acceptable in Python. Now you can see that AS9823 number also can be considerable, underscore is already considerable, so that's why if we just take the variable like a mixing character, then in that case also they are running the program. And in here also we can see in the underscore abc and underscore, we are using 2 times underscore is equal to 1. Again, if we just print out the same thing, this one, we can easily see that they are giving the output 1. But if we are using the special character, in that case the Python will be throw the error. That's it for the while loop. In case guys, if there is any problem, please feel free to keep in touch with me, keep in contact with me, and thank you. Wish you a very happy learning. Thank you so much.